G'day viewers, I did some bench testing. I found out how to wire this thing up between phase A and phase C. I put my 110 volts in for the potential coils. And my load is a microwave oven transformer on a variac and carefully hooked up between LC and MC, main common and load common. Tear it up slowly and sure enough it works. If I can wire it up like one of these meters now, I'll need a step down transformer for the potential. That'll be my potential for that. All I needed then is the easy part will be to hook up and connect this bit here instead of having this connected in series of the load, but restricted to 5 amps for small loads. And this will work just like a conventional watt hour meter, only this new runs on 110 volts instead of 240. So I could jury rig it up on a panel and have it on small loads and the simulating as if it was working in the real world. But it works really quite well. I'm happy with it. It's all fully functional. I'll get a tripod set up and try and get a better angle on this thing. Works very well. Alright, potential's hooked up. Variac's on 0. Let's plug it in. Oops, some inrush. Oh, hang on, my connection came loose there. Try that. No, I've got a loose connection somewhere. There you go. Yeah, good. It's partially painted, the connection to the load side of this. It's got that paint and corrosion on it. It's just such a low voltage, I'm getting a bad connection there. Pretty responsive. Don't want to be too hard on it. It's quite an old classic. But it works, look at that. Awesome. Generating 2 megawatt out. Generating 2 megawatts. Nothing's getting too warm there, it's alright. The wire's just sitting there on the oxidised connection. That is awesome, it works. I'm quite happy with that. Now I know how to wire it up. I can make a little phantom setup simulating how this would have run in the real world. Awesome! Making an even better functional display piece. Sweet! I'll give a good close look at the connections in the back of that. You've got the 110 volts going in between, as I said, 110 volt AC between C and A. And I've got my load phantom current going between LC and MC. And that's it. Simple as that. I can use this for as a phantom setup now and simulate a real world scenario as if it was really running. Just unplug that. Yeah. Being potential coils don't use shit all power, so the transformers aren't complaining. But it works. Now I'll test this other Metro Vic meter on camera. Alright, let's get my energy turned on. We'll start to release the electrons. Oh, inrush, that's not good. Inrush isn't very good though. Yeah, it pegs a meter. 4 amp load on here, big spotlight. But it works. The light's pulling a little over 4 amps. There we are. Turn it off. Unplug safety first. I've had a 50 to 5 CT and a rectifier or something for that DC, for that make a meter work. I can use it on the AC loads. So I'll have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It would be times by 10. Make it more practical for an AC switchboard. But that's pretty good for this sort of thing. At least that one works nice as well. As Wayne Boombox Deluxe suggested, I could get my clamp meter out and check it for accuracy that way, but that should be pretty accurate. That bulb that's in this light, it's a pretty powerful bulb too, so it's 100 watt, was it a H4? Yeah, 100 watt H4. Yeah, it works quite well. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'll make a little panel for it. Get another 110 volt transformer like that. Use little power, hook it up partway to that. Plug my power in. Hook it up to a power point, or go into a power point. And that will energise a transformer when I turn the unit on. Then the active coming out will go through here, back through the neutral of that power point. So this will be, in other words, the load side of this will be connected in series, like an amp meter. So I'm quite happy with this. It works. At least I know how to wire it up now for simulating it. Phantom loading. But damn, it's cool. That's some precision engineering right there. I don't make on that anymore. Anyway, be enough on these for now. Had great scores. Don't know, who knows? If the other one, that other GE one's still there, I may pick that one out up. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching.